came around to say hello. One, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
No, they are right. Secularism is controlling and taxing only temples but not mosques. Secularism is fighting for Muslims to wear hijab to school but beating Hindus for wearing kalawa, bindi and tilak. Secularism is respecting Sabrimala judgment but overturning Shah Bano judgment. Secularism is asking only Hindu-run schools to give EWS reservations, not Muslim-run schools. Secularism is arming Muslims with Waqf Act but not Hindus with Sanatan Act. Secularism is castigating Judge Swaminathan for attending an RSS event but praising Vice President Ansari for felicitating a terrorist PFI with an award. So let's not go down that road. And as far as my good friend Salim saying that we are DNK, we don't discriminate on the basis of religion. Well, I respect that, Salim. So please say that DNK wants to eradicate Islam. That Islam is also a menace, like you are saying Hinduism is a menace, you want to eradicate Sanatan Dharma. Then I will believe that you do not discriminate on the basis of religion. But until you do, char nimbu nichodne se doodh bhi itna nahi fatta, I'm not going to complete it. But let me come back to this. Navika, earlier they wanted to eradicate Sanatan Dharma. Now these guys want to eradicate justice itself. And isn't it amusing? Court overturns ancient Hindu tradition at Sabrimala temple. Modi respects the court order, refuses to impeach the judge. But court okays ancient Hindu tradition at the Thiruparan Kundram temple. Stalin rebukes the court order, rushes to impeach the judge. But hey, Modi is fascist. The DMK government is not only in criminal contempt of court twice over, it is now flexing its raw power in wanting to impeach a judge whose considered judgment went against the nefarious designs of the government and exposed its rabid anti-Hindu communal bigotry. And you know the tragedy is that while the Supreme Court went out of its way recently to protect a High Court judge charged with corruption, here milords are silent when a High Court judge is being virulently abused and harassed every single day by a government. My respects to Justice Swaminathan for standing up to the harassment despite his verdict being upheld by a division bench. Navika, let's deal with facts out here. Here are 5 facts why Justice Swaminathan quoted and gave his judgment in favor of the Hindus wanting to light the Deepatu lamp. Number 1. Historical ownership and legal precedents. The Deepatun is located in the unoccupied portion of the hill that has belonged to the Hindu temple since, quote unquote, as the justice said, time immemorial. As confirmed by the 1920 Privy Council judgment, which held that only specific areas, the mosque summit, Layang Tope and steps belong to Muslims, while the rest, including the lower peak, is temple property. Importantly, the Hindus had already got a NOC from Muslims in 2005 to light the lamp. Number 2, cultural and religious tradition. Lighting lamps atop hills during the Tamil month of Kartiga is a long-standing Tamil tradition, and the temple management has a duty to maintain and restore such customs as long as they do not breach constitutional morality. Number 3, no offense or impact on others. Lighting the lamp is a sacred act that cannot offend anyone's sensibilities, does not affect the rights of the nearby Dargah or Muslims, and is situated at least 50 meters away outside any Muslim occupied area.
But
beyond.
Dharan says that Tamil Nadu people have no religious identity at all. So what are you fighting for, Anand Ranganathan?
No,
are you Tamilian? Are you a Tamilian?
I am coming there.
But Salim Dharan will decide your religious identity.
This is the BJP about
Tamil
Nadu.
Salim, please, I beg of you.
That is what BJP is doing, madam. That is what BJP is deciding. Who is Hindu, who is not a Hindu. Yeah. It is the BJP that is deciding.
It is the devotees who have gone to court. The judgment has come from the court. Aap kis marz ki dawa hai? Where are you coming from? It is between the devotees and the court.
Give me a minute.
Navika, 2 points.
I will explain.
Navika, just 2 points.
1 minute. Give me
Navika,
1 minute.
please. Salim, please. Just 2 points. I want to finish what I wanted to say. It's very important. Please answer these 2 points.
Reply to my question also.
Okay.
Yes, I will reply to your question. But please, just answer these 2 points. Number 1, did the Muslims give the 2005 NOC to Hindus to light a lamp? Yes or no? And number 2, was it in the 2017 judgment that at least 15 meters away from the Dargah boundaries, is it more than 15 meters away or not?